Place her legs on your thighs, then thumb press to the knees. When you get to the knees, cup your hands and press into the muscles around the knees and not into the knee crease itself. Continue to thumb press up to the glutes and then back down to the feet. Lift the leg, bringing the knee out to the side and the toes in the knee crease of the opposite leg. Palm press the lower leg. Use your forearm to press into the thigh. Press your elbow into the glutes while mobilizing the leg. Lift the leg and slide in closer to your client, supporting their leg on top of yours. Reposition your elbow into the glutes while mobilizing the leg. Clasp your hands together and squeeze the thigh. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you'd like more information about live and online classes, visit my website, nirvanalandcontinuinged.com. You can also find me on Instagram and Facebook. Have a great day.